chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 10 of my unboxing and creating with my advent calendar from Cora Crea crafts. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you, and if you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. What I'm doing here in this series is I'm unboxing a package each day, and then whatever's in the package, I'm using it to try to create something for a junk journal. So let's get on to opening the package for day 10. I've been enjoying opening these packages and trying to stay on top of everything with the holiday season. Starting to get a little behind. I'm sure everybody understands how that goes with the holiday season. So let's see what we've got here. Ooh, let's see. Interesting shape. Got some tissue. Might be able to use that. Try not to tear the tissue up. This is wrapped up really well. Alright, let's see what we have. Almost there. Oh, this is cool. It is a stamp for a wax seal. Love the handle. It's actually two-sided. On this side, I don't know if you can see that well, it looks like almost like a compass, but with a sun inside of it. And then on the other side, we have, it looks like a celestial design, but I can't quite tell what that is. I'm going to actually have to get some wax and test both of these out to see what I'm going to create with. So I'm sure you'll know what I'm going to grab. One of the things I'm going to grab is wax. And so let me go grab a couple of things that I can create with, and I'll come back. Okay, I've grabbed a few things. I'm leaving the tissue paper. I've grabbed some 4x4 journaling cards and some 6x6 journaling cards and some scrapbook paper. And I also grabbed the wax for some wax seals and my gold leaf pen. So I'm going to add this to music and see what we can create. Today's advent was using this double-sided wax seal. I really love the handle on this, and I didn't show this to y'all earlier, but these do come off, so if you have the correct wax seal head size, you could use this handle for different wax seals. It doesn't have to be just the one that came in the advent box, but you did get two options here. And what I created today was an envelope with a journaling card inside. I used my envelope punch board to cut out the envelope for the correct size for the journal card I was using. I did a wax seal on the journal card and one on the closure of the envelope. And then that just fits right inside. You could add this into pockets of your journal. You could add it as a flap to the journal. If I had not already glued this in, you could sew this into the signature of your journal. I'll show that sometime here on my channel, doing that. But I really liked how I antiqued this up with the rub and buff. I changed the color since I decided to use the gold wax seal. The gold foiling pen I had would not show up, so I picked out the rub and buff in the Spanish copper to antique those to pull out the details of the design in the wax seal. So that ends day 10 of our Advent series. Be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new contents. And be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you're doing this year for an Advent or any kind of crafty related things you're doing. And in the spirit of the holidays here on the channel, I leave you with my beverage choice of the day. I am drinking a dark roast coffee that came in my coffee Advent calendar, and we'll see what we've got for our chocolate of the day for day 10. Day 10 looks like we're repeating. I think we've had this already, the crunchy toffee. It was very good. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my beverage and my chocolate, and until I see you again in the attic, y'all take care.